What is the speed of a 1 times 10 to the 3 kilogram car that has a momentum of 2 times 10 to the power 4 kilogram meters per second east? So if we consider east to be the positive direction, then we can consider this momentum, which is usually denoted as a lowercase p, to be positive 2 times 10 to the 4 kilogram meters per second. So we know that momentum is the product of mass and velocity, and that generally momentum is a vector quantity, which is why we have this assigned direction that is positive or eastwards. And with that information, combining these two statements, we can determine the speed or the magnitude of the velocity of this car. So let's substitute this value in for p in this equation. That'll give us 2 times 10 to the power 4 kilogram meters per second equals the mass of the car, which is 1 times 10 to the power of 3 kilograms, and that's multiplied by the velocity. So now to get velocity on its own, we divide both sides by 1 times 10 to the power of 3 kilograms. That leaves us with velocity equals 2 times 10 to the power of 4 kilogram meters per second divided by 1 times 10 to the power of 3 kilograms. The kilogram units cancel. 2 times 10 to the 4 divided by 1 times 10 to the 3 gives us 2 times 10 to the power of 1, and our units are meters per second. So this is the velocity with its direction, which is positive. In this case, we're only looking for the speed, which would be the magnitude of this velocity, so this value, but without a direction, which we would also just state as 2 times 10 to the power of 1 meters per second. So that's the answer to this problem.